In Corel, we're going to create overlapping letters, weld them, and then clean up the lines. When selecting certain fonts, when you overlap them and weld them together, you do get imperfections in there. And this is just one way to show you how to clean up that artwork. So first we're going to go to our text and create a design. Now that we've typed in what we want, we're going to change the font. Go up to Arrange. We're going to break the artistic text. Well, that's good enough for our presentation today. So first thing I want to do is go up to Convert to Curves. And once it's Convert to Curves, you can see the toolbar changed here. I'm going to actually weld that together, but first we're going to view it as a wireframe. And then we'll go to our weld tool, and you'll see it weld together. Just going to enlarge it here so we can see it a little bit better. I guess fortunately or unfortunately there's not too many imperfections in there, but we can change things like this hump here. Maybe we don't want that in the design. Or there could be some of the nooks and crannies, as Tom mentioned. So in order to change this, we're going to go to our shape tool. You can see all the nodes show up. I'm just going to draw a box around the area that I want to change. Go up to my Reduce Nodes, select that, hold down my left mouse button, and drag this just a little bit at a time, and you can see the nodes changing or the design changing, and kind of smooth it out a little bit. And you can do this all through the design and change things where you need to be. And then I just don't see any other imperfections I want to correct. But you can do that all over the design. You can select the whole design and do it all together or just areas. And let's just take a look at that. That looks pretty good. Now there's something else I can do to test it to make sure that it's welded properly and that I have all the imperfections taken care of. And this is one way I do it, is go to our contour tool. And you can see the toolbar changed up here again. I select around a 0.03, 0.04, a good contrasting color. Red is good for the black here. And I select on this tool here the linear contour colors. And now I can look and see, make sure everything is welded properly, which it looks like it is. And now I'll look for imperfections. I really don't see any. So I don't need the second color, so I'm just going to go back up here and get rid of that. Go back to my pick tool. And I'm ready to go to cutting. So I'm going to send over my cutting software just to take a look. Again, looking for some imperfections in there. And I really don't see any, so it's ready to go to cutting. Just mirror the image, and I'm ready to go cut. So give it a try and see if it works for you. And anybody out there watching this video, if you have another way of doing this, please let me know so I can share this with the audience. This happens to be just the way I do it, but cleans it up really nice. Hope this helps. If you have any other questions, just give me a call.